Hi everyone, so it's a brand new Sunday today and we all are headed towards Ibiza for a family outing. We also have the little one with us and my whole family traveling with me.
Hi.
So the weather seems nice and pleasant. It's been raining a lot lately, so just looking forward to spending a nice time together. And the rest, let's find it out. This is our room, so come with me. Let me give you a quick room tour. So I must say the size of the room is a little small, but it's pretty cozy out there. The size of the bed, however, is pretty decent. They have a table beside the bed, and also we have an electric kettle. Moving on to the bathroom. Oh, here's a lamp. It's pretty cute. I really love this lamp by the bed. Now going to the bathroom. Here is a big size mirror. There am I filming in my mobile. Here is the wash basin, and there goes the shower area. The size of the shower area is pretty large. I overall like the size and the decor. The overall bathroom is pretty nice and decent. Coming back to the room, they have a big size closet which is currently empty as we are not carrying a lot of luggage. They also have a TV, dustbin, and another table here. And here is this gorgeous swimming pool view from the window, which really adds to the charm of the room. And the sky is crystal clear now, and it's really beautiful out here. It's a super comfy bed. So we are here at the restaurant, and here we'll be having our lunch. So we are having lunch now. My mom is eating. My plate is full. Also, we have a very nice ambience here. They didn't have a huge spread of buffet, but I must say the taste of the food were really good, especially the pasta here was pretty nice. And also there is this fish in the starter section. Fish in oyster chili is its name. It was very delicious, and next to it was the chicken risala. The chicken were very soft here. All the three desserts were extremely delicious, and my favorite, so they had this mango baked yogurt, then also this baked rasgulla and some custard. We are done with our lunch. We are outside the lunch area. That's why I'm wearing the mask. So let me show you quickly the outside view. This is the banquet hall with some beautiful chandeliers all around. Currently some work is going on for some scheduled event probably. The game zone has several options like table tennis, snooker, carom, and then also chess. And adjacent to the game zone is that cafe out there. They also have a disco there, I guess, which opens at 7 p.m. in the evening. And here's the staircase to our room. This is the place, poolside overall. There also we've got some beautiful seating arrangements. Right now we are headed towards the kids playing zone. Let's see what's in store there for us. Look what I found! There are some birds towards the kids playing area and some rabbits too. Cuties! Such cuties. Here's a bridge also for some photo sessions, and there you go. There is Rian enjoying his time to the fullest. The sun has gone down. Let me show you quickly how this place looks in the evening. The weather is really pleasant now. It's very windy, very comfortable. And here's the cafe, which is open now. We are towards the end of our trip now. I'll be checking out soon. Overall, it was a lovely time spent together, and our car will be arriving soon. So that's it. So my car has arrived now, and the luggages are being kept inside the car. And we all are pretty tired, and I guess we're just gonna go home and get some good sleep. The next morning, yesterday we came home really late and we all were so tired that I couldn't record anything, but I did have a certain things to share with you guys about the details, the trip details, the package details, and overall, the how you can plan a day out like we did yesterday. So without any further delay, let's jump to the details. So Ibiza is basically a resort close to South Calcutta. It's very close to Amtala, like 2-3 minutes away from Amtala. From my home it took like 45 minutes, and it's a very nice place to hang out with your family or friends. How to reach? So I would always recommend you to take your own car if you're going there, because I'm not sure of the cab services that are available. However, having said that, if you are opting for Uber or Ola, taking a cab, I would recommend you to take a outstation ride and book it. Make sure book it a round trip in case you don't want any hassle while coming back. We took a day out package coupled with a room, because so for this day out they do not provide any rooms, any access to any rooms. However, they will provide access to the swimming pool, all the indoor games, and a few outdoor games also, like badminton, archery, and a few more is there. I'm not sure because we didn't get a chance to play any of those. And they also have boating, so you can try that out. We missed that also however. And also the lunch, the buffet lunch, and some evening tea and snacks are included in the day out package. So overall it's like 2,000 per person as per today's rate. But I would suggest, if you're going in monsoon like the time we went, or in the summer season, you do not take that package, in case like we were not comfortable in taking that package, staying outside all day long. So if you are going in winter, you can opt for that package, but in summer, like we opted a room as well. So the room tariff begins at 4,000 rupees, which was a little expensive as per my opinion, because the room size were really small, although it was a very decent and cozy room and very comfortable. But given the size of the room, I felt that it's a bit on the higher side. And we also didn't opt for the evening snacks and the tea. That was excluded in our package, and I think a few more outdoor activities were also excluded. However, we didn't get a chance. Like, if you are going for a day out, you won't get a chance to try out all the activities, trust me. So it's not that you miss a lot. So since we excluded those things from our package, it came down to 1,100 per person. I think it was pretty convenient for a whole day. So the day out timing starts from I think 11 a.m. and it lasts till 5 p.m. and they also have the disco. You can easily opt for the disco. I don't know if they charge something more because it starts at 7 o'clock. That's what they said. I think there'll be separate charges if you want to opt for the disco. So overall, you can plan this out. Like, if you stay a night, it will be more better. I like the evening ambience ambience there a little better than the morning ambience. So in order to enjoy the whole thing, I would recommend you to stay one night at least. We took a day out. It was pretty decent as well. You can also opt for that as per your requirements.